Yancheng Cross Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturing factory that specializes agricultural machinery, garden machinery, construction machinery, automotive and accessories factory. Our company is located in Yancheng City, Jiangsu Province, China, with convenient transportation, perfect business facilities, and can keep abreast of market trends at any time. Our staff are experienced, committed to strict quality inspection and thoughtful customer service, and can discuss customer needs at any time to ensure customer satisfaction. The factory is based in Yancheng and is built on 62,215 square meters. The factory has casting, machining, sheet metal, and other workshops. Yancheng Cross Machinery Manufacture Company Limited carries brands such as Agrotk, AGT Industrial, CFG Industrial, Mower King, and others to sell in the global market, such as the United States, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and other countries. We have 10 senior engineers, independent research and development of a variety of high-end machinery. We can also accept the customer's OEM brand and non-standard customization from customers. We sincerely hope that our products will be a good helper for your agricultural production. We believe that only high-quality products that meet the needs of customers and the market can maintain a long-term cooperative relationship.